Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best engine oil additives that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Archoil AR9100 Oil Additive. Archoil AR9100 is designed for use in different engine types, including diesel and gasoline models. Many users add this solution during each oil change to support smoother engine function and reduce mechanical issues over time. It is often used in vehicles with injector concerns, especially in power stroke engines where problems such as hard starting, rough idling, and decreased performance occur. This product is used to clean out deposits from injectors while forming a protective layer that helps reduce wear and friction inside the engine. When oil is exposed to heat and pressure in injectors, it can degrade and form deposits. These blockages may lead to stick shift, a common problem that prevents fuel injectors from firing properly. The additive works by removing those deposits and applying a solid layer that supports consistent performance. Continued use may also help engines stay cleaner, improve response, and reduce unwanted engine noise or shaking during cold weather. This treatment is frequently applied to hydraulic systems, gearboxes, and power steering components. It may also help improve oil longevity and limit the buildup of harmful sludge and carbon inside the engine system. The treated engine oil becomes more stable under heat, offering extended use between oil drain intervals. AR9100 is often added in a specific ratio per quart of oil, depending on the type of engine or system being treated. The solution is packaged in multiple sizes including 16 fluid-ounce bottles, giving users several options for regular maintenance. In our list, the number 2 product name is XADO Engine Oil Additive. XADO Engine Oil Additive is created for car owners looking to maintain vehicle performance by addressing wear in internal engine parts. This treatment uses advanced compound technology to help rebuild metal surfaces and support smoother operation. One bottle is designed to work with engines that hold up to 5 quarts of oil. The additive is used in both gasoline and diesel vehicles, aiming to provide long-term results with one application. As engines operate over time, wear and tear can lead to pressure drops, higher fuel use, and reduced cylinder compression. This product helps support worn components by forming a protective layer that resists heat and overload. Vehicle owners often apply this solution to reduce engine noise, minimize vibration, and help restore oil pressure to normal levels. It may also contribute to better fuel economy by helping the internal system run more efficiently. The mixture blends easily with motor oil once the vehicle reaches normal temperature, requiring no disassembly or extra equipment. The additive is known for supporting cleaner engine operation by lowering harmful emissions that enter the air. Granules of the solution dissolve during engine operation, completing their action over a span of several hundred miles. After application, it is generally not recommended to change the oil until the process completes. A single 225 milliliter bottle is often enough for most standard cars. Larger engines with higher capacity may need a larger quantity to achieve full coverage. The goal of this product is to delay mechanical wear and improve long-term engine behavior. In our list, the number 3 product name is LIQUI MOLY Engine Oil Additive. LIQUI MOLY Ceratec is a liquid engine treatment made to work with standard motor oils in various gasoline and diesel vehicles. It blends into engine oil during use and is intended to support smoother operation while addressing internal friction. This ceramic-based solution is often used to help extend engine durability by forming a layer that separates moving parts, which may reduce the impact of wear over time. Vehicles often face high pressure and extreme temperatures during normal operation, which can affect engine performance. This product is designed to remain stable under changing thermal and mechanical conditions, aiming to help keep engine systems working efficiently. Many car owners choose to add this treatment to help manage operating stress and maintain vehicle function through regular use. This ceramic compound is known for blending with oil without creating unwanted residue and is typically compatible with common oil filters. Once added, it spreads through the internal system, aiming to prevent direct surface contact in high friction zones. That may result in smoother driving and a quieter engine response during daily use. Ceratec is measured to match standard oil volumes, with one container commonly serving 5 liters of oil. Over longer distances, this treatment is designed to offer extended support without needing reapplication too often. While used mainly in engines, it is also suitable for some other vehicle systems, such as pumps and compressors. This product is not used in systems that rely on wet clutches. In our list, the number 4 product name is XADO EX120 Motor Engine Oil Additive. XADO EX120 Motor Oil Additive is developed for use in vehicles that run on gasoline or liquefied petroleum gas. This solution is designed to support high-mileage engines by targeting metal surfaces inside the system. It is added directly to the oil reservoir and works during regular operation. A ceramic metal layer begins forming on parts that experience regular motion and stress, aiming to restore worn zones and protect from further wear. As engines accumulate distance, internal parts may suffer from friction and reduced compression. This treatment is commonly used to help stabilize oil pressure and promote smoother operation. Through a step-by-step process, the formula works over time to build a strong surface coating across vital areas. The aim is to support consistent performance while helping reduce unnecessary strain inside the system. Vehicles with up to 10 liters of oil capacity often need 3 doses to complete the application. Each syringe is added after specific driving intervals to help achieve full effect. During this process, changing the engine oil is usually avoided until the treatment is complete. Some car owners apply this solution to help improve engine responsiveness and extend long-term durability. This additive is also used to support better fuel economy by minimizing drag within the system. Many apply it in older engines or vehicles that have experienced regular use over time. The protective compound continues to function for a long distance after full application, helping maintain engine condition across many driving hours without additional effort. In our list, the number 5 product name is Seafoam Motor Treatment Fuel and Oil Additive. Seafoam motor treatment is created for use in various gasoline and diesel vehicles. This additive is designed to be poured directly into fuel or oil systems during normal operation. It is commonly applied to help manage internal buildup that forms over time due to fuel usage or oil breakdown. Car owners often use this solution to support smoother performance and more efficient function. This treatment is made from petroleum-based ingredients and is suitable for both older and newer engines. Many apply it to assist in maintaining the condition of the fuel injectors, valves, and internal chambers. When added to the fuel tank, it mixes and travels through the entire system, reaching parts that are often hard to clean with regular maintenance. In the crankcase, the liquid spreads through the oil and interacts with residues that collect during normal engine cycles. This can help free up blocked passages and restore fluid movement. The product is used by drivers aiming to reduce rough operation or unusual noise caused by accumulated debris or sluggish oil flow. The solution is compatible with synthetic and conventional motor oils, making it a flexible choice for different vehicle types. It is also added to fuel as a stabilizer, which can help preserve its quality during long storage.